Couple of things. Yes, this is the same shirt that I've been wearing in my previous videos because I'm on the road to America and I had to record all the videos at once. So first, follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/UFDisciple. If you want to see me live stream, we can chat, good stuff, gaming, all of that kind of stuff. Links in the video description for that. But then also, yes, I'm going to America. I'll be there for a few weeks, then I'll be coming back to South Africa. So expect a change in scenery and just kind of videos being like they were when I was on the road for quite a bit. Hopefully in less locations than before, but yes, we can probably work in a closet video or two. But with that out of the way, let's jump into the actual content of this video. So for all of the crap that we've given Apple and its fanatical consumer base, sorry, Reece, the company does produce many, high quality, albeit stupendously overpriced products. So in our continued effort to cover more than just PC hardware related topics, let's take a look at this recent bit of news regarding Apple MacBook keyboards. More specifically, how they're all broken pieces of trash. Okay, maybe it's not all that bad. Recently, the site Apple Insider took it upon themselves to investigate failure rates of Apple's butterfly key switch keyboards, which are found in MacBook Pro models. The recent MacBook Pro models, that is. Their investigation yielded some pretty interesting data, and that's what we'll be taking a look at in this video. So according to the site, their investigation was inspired by various reports and complaints regarding the actual butterfly key switches, all seemingly pointing it to be far more prone to breaking than previous generations. The site gathered first-year service data from 2014, 2015, and 2016, as well as an incomplete set of data of 2017 MacBook Pro 13 and 15-inch models. Why? Why? The power went out, but I can still record videos. I don't need power to do this. That sucked. Anyways, if you want a more comprehensive idea of the process used to gather the data and all of the variables involved, be sure to check out the article linked in the description below. Now on to the data. According to the research, 2,120 MacBook Pro 2014 models were brought in for repair during their first year on sale. And out of all of those, 118 were keyboard related, meaning 5.6 of all of those repair issues were down to the keyboards. In the following year, 1,904 MacBook Pro 2015s came in for repair, where 114 were due to exploding keyboards. Faulty keyboards, who knows? Anyways, they could be exploding, which is about 6%. Now, when the new butterfly key switch keyboards came into play in the 2016 versions of a MacBook Pro, things got a lot more interesting. Apple Insider found out that out of the 1,402 machines that came in for repair, 165 had keyboard issues. That's almost 12%, which is double the years previous. Even though the site couldn't manage to get a full year's data for the 2017 models because they haven't been out for a full year yet, out of the 1,161 that came in, 94 were due to the haunted keyboard issues, or 8.1% of those sampled, which is a little less than the 2016 year, but a little bit more than 2015. The site also found that there's another factor besides the design of the keyboard contributing to the failure, as there were significantly more cases where systems had to come back for a second or even third repair compared to the old keyboard versions. The research shows that while the number of systems in need of repair has gone down over the years, the incidence of keyboard repairs has gone up notably. We'll have to see what the numbers for 2017 MacBook Pro models have to say, but it seems clear that this isn't a small issue. What makes this all worse is that Macs have historically been pretty dang expensive things to fix, and that holds true for MacBook Pros. As the site explains, in order to fix the keyboard, the whole uppercase assembly has to be replaced, including the keyboard, battery, and the uppercase metal surrounding the keyboard and Thunderbolt 3 ports. Apple Insider states that the repair could cost upwards of $700. And while that number is lower on older versions like the 2014 and 2015 models, roughly $400, it's still a lot of money. We're not quite sure how Apple intends to address this issue, or even if they intend on doing anything at all, but with these kinds of failure rates, we're really hoping they have something in mind. Or they'll just come up with a new keyboard for future models and hope for the best. That's a pretty Apple thing to do, probably. We don't know. But there's no chance that this is going to be a recall, because recalls are typically for safety issues. Your keyboard not working is not a safety issue. I mean, you have friends with the new MacBooks. Have they had to replace it? Okay, Reece doesn't have any. Rikus, do you have any people with MacBook Pros? Yeah. And have they had to replace their keyboards? Okay, so in South Africa, we're apparently not having this issue. I did a sample size of 2. 0 out of 2 issues, that means that there's no issues whatsoever. There's no problem. That's basically where we are. Anyways, I want to know, do you guys have MacBook Pros? Have you had these issues whatsoever? Given our, demographics of audience, I completely doubt that most of you have MacBook Pros, but I want to know if you do or not. Sound off on your problems with Macs, Apple, all of that good stuff, either down in the comments or in the community Discord. Again, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I am traveling to the US. Power went out for some stupid reason. It all sucks. But follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/UFDisciple. You can subscribe there. We have Twitch Prime. If you have Amazon Prime, you can give me free money. That's amazing. But then also you can use our Amazon affiliate code in the video description if you're picking up MacBook stuff. That'd be great. Or anything else if you want to be part of the PC Master Race. Links are in the video description down below. You can also support us on Patreon, where you can help us where you can help us continue everything that's going on here. Be sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also to let us know that you want us to continue covering things outside of the PC realm of stuff going on in the world. Also, please get subscribed to stay up to date on all of our tech-related content. I am Brett with the UFD Tech Channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.